The Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography and FPV flying. Featuring a dual 8K HD camera system, this drone captures stunning visuals with exceptional clarity and stability. With optical flow positioning, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a brushless motor, the K103 Pro is built to deliver smooth and stable flight even in challenging conditions. Whether you're looking to capture high-definition aerial footage, explore new landscapes, or enjoy FPV flying, the Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone provides unmatched performance. Key features of the Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone: 8K HD camera. Capture crystal clear photos, 7680 by 4320, and 8K video, 4096 by 2160, for professional grade content. Optical flow positioning. Ensure stable hovering and smooth flight control with optical flow positioning, even in indoor environments. Obstacle avoidance. The front, left, and right obstacle avoidance system ensures the drone avoids collisions, providing safety during flight. Intelligent remote control. The 4-channel remote control with a 1000-meter range ensures precise control, while the 6-axis gyroscope adds stability. Extended flight time. Fly for 25 to 35 minutes on a 3.7V 1800 mAh battery, allowing you to capture more footage with fewer interruptions. 1000 m image transmission. Stream live footage with Wi-Fi image transmission, perfect for FPV flying and real-time monitoring. Wind resistance. With a brushless motor and level 5 wind resistance, this drone is built to withstand moderate winds. One-key takeoff and landing. Simplified operation with one-key takeoff and landing, making it easy to fly even for beginners. Hammer and wrench foldable design. Compact and portable, the foldable design makes the K103 Pro Drone easy to carry for outdoor adventures or professional shoots. Specifications: camera, 8K HD video and 12MP photo resolution. Battery, 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, up to 35 minutes of flight time. Charging time, approximately 60 minutes. Flight range, 1000 meters remote control range. Motor, brushless motor. Wind resistance, level 5. Control, 6-axis gyroscope, for channel remote control. Design, foldable, lightweight design in silver the black color. What's in the box? Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone. Remote control. Battery. USB charging cable. For spare propellers. Screwdriver. Storage bag. Camera protective cover. User manual. The Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone is perfect for professional photographers, adventurers, and drone enthusiasts who want a high-quality aerial drone with advanced features like 8K video, optical flow positioning, and obstacle avoidance. With its foldable design, extended battery life, and intelligent flight controls, the K103 Pro provides an outstanding flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots. Perfect for aerial photographers looking for high-quality 8K footage, FPV drone enthusiasts seeking long-range and stable flight, travelers who need a foldable drone for easy transport. Experience the Xiaomi K103 Pro Drone, your go-to tool for professional aerial shots, exploration, and safe flying. Like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.